The platypus is a fascinating and unusual animal with a collection of traits that make it truly unique in the animal kingdom. A mix of mammal, reptile, and something else, egg-laying mammal, the platypus is one of only 5 species of monotremes, a group of mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The other monotremes are the 4 species of echidnas, venomous males. Male platypuses have a sharp, hollow spur on each hind leg that is connected to a venom gland. While not lethal to humans, a sting can cause excruciating pain that may last for weeks and is not relieved by common pain medications. This venom is thought to be primarily used during the mating season to compete with other males. Biofluorescent. Under a UV light, a platypus's fur glows with a blue-green color. Scientists are not entirely sure why this happens, but it may serve as a form of camouflage in low-light conditions. Built for an aquatic life. Electrolocation. When a platypus dives for food, it closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils. It navigates and hunts using its duck-like bill, which is a highly sensitive sensory organ. The bill is covered in thousands of tiny electroreceptors that detect the faint electrical currents generated by the muscle contractions of its prey, such as worms and insect larvae. Specialized fur and feet. The platypus has incredibly dense, waterproof fur that traps a layer of air against its skin, providing insulation and buoyancy. Its front feet are fully webbed for powerful swimming, while its back feet are partially webbed and act as rudders. On land, it retracts the webbing and walks on its knuckles to protect the delicate skin. Cheek pouches. Platypuses gather their food in cheek pouches while foraging underwater and bring it to the surface to chew and eat. They have no teeth as adults, but instead use bony plates in their jaws to grind up their food along with any gravel they scoop up from the riverbed. Evolutionary oddities. Ancient lineage. The platypus lineage is very old, having diverged from other mammals around 166 million years ago. This makes it a living link to the very early evolution of mammals. A puggle of a baby. A baby platypus is called a puggle. After hatching from their leathery egg, puggles nurse on milk that their mother secretes through pores in her skin as they lack nipples. Prehistoric giants. While modern platypuses are relatively small, fossil evidence shows that their ancient relatives, which lived millions of years ago, were much larger and had teeth, unlike their modern counterparts. Want to dive deeper into the world of the platypus? Check out the full video on my channel.